raindrops are falling on my head.
Today's gonna be a bad day.
Just like the guy whose feet are too
Rain gets on my
big
glasses and it
for
makes it so I can't see
his
fucking
bed.
shit.
Nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head. They keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun, and I said I didn't like the way he got things done, sleeping on the job. Those raindrops are falling on my head. They keep falling. But there's one thing I know. The blues they send to meet me won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me.
So I'm just gonna sit at this bus stop for a second.
Raindrops keep falling on my
So
head,
frustrated I can fuck off. I
but
wanna throw my
that
phone.
doesn't mean my eyes will
It's dead, but I
soon
can't charge
be
it because there's, like,
turning
water.
red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by
30
complaining,
fucking minutes.
because I'm free.
I can't message any of the fucking booking people. I can't
Nothing's
I'm
worrying
fucking losing it.
me.